Hey, how's it going, guys? Today I'm gonna be fixing my old PlayStation 5 controller, and I thought I'll take you along for the journey. So I went ahead and I got this kit off AliExpress. It comes with all the tools you need. I just got a new case for it as well. So that's gonna be our new case. There's nothing wrong with the other case. I just thought I'd try this out. It is fairly cheap on AliExpress, and you get all these buttons and joysticks with. As well as the custom touchpad. Cool. These are going to be our Hall Effect sticks that we're going to install today. So we've got absolute major stick drift on this controller, so hence why we're going to fix that now. Cool, here we have our brand new Hall Effect sticks installed. The hardest part about this whole transformation was getting these triggers out of their trigger shells to fit the new white trigger shells. This was really hard to do. They've got these funny reverse clips that don't want to come out, but with a little bit of persuasion and careful not to break the plastic, they eventually do come out. So after calibration, this works like a charm. I've played with it for an entire day now, and I mean, this case is really premium, especially for the price. I don't think you will be able to tell the difference between this and the actual special edition controller, so definitely worth the money in my opinion, but it does take a little bit of technical skill to obviously install it properly, especially with these white triggers. Very nice. I give it a 10 out of 10. It's really awesome. I'm really happy.